Got a bit of a dodgy start, but was first into the top corner, followed by Dan McKenzie, 132, and Dan Ormsby and Fight 32. Ashburton on the R6 Yamaha with Daniel McKenzie on the Honda in second spot. Out in front on the Suzuki with Damien Perrott behind him, Daniel McKenzie and Dan Ormsby. Alistair's riding 3 different bikes and 3 different classes here today, so he's obviously race fit. Ladies and gentlemen. But there doesn't seem to be anything he can do about the 2 600s in front of him. Dan Ormsby slipping back in 4th. He won't be happy about that. Neck and neck racing here, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely not an inch to give. Either way, one of them makes the slightest mistake and the other will be gone. It's Alistair. Daniel McKenzie. Oh, then down the main straight. They call that a tank slapper, ladies and gentlemen. That is what they call a tank slapper. Right. Dan McKenzie in 3rd. Dan Ormsby in 4th. Alex Walker in 5th. Absolutely on the ragged edge, ladies and gents. Damien Perrott makes the back of the track. Daniel McKenzie is hard up to date at Alistair Hoogenboom. McKenzie wants to win this race. This is his meeting. He owns it. And this pesky 600 Suzuki's in his way. He's got 2 laps. You're a signal manoeuvre, remember? Is it going to be Alistair Hoogenboom? And it's Daniel McKenzie out in front. Got past Alistair on the back of the track. It's Dan McKenzie on the Autotech Honda. Daniel McKenzie flat side down for 1.5 laps, about 45 seconds. Daniel McKenzie on the riding the bloody wheels off that Honda. Keep Hoogenboom in second. Alistair Hoogenboom Daniel McKenzie must have pushed it a bit hard on the back of the track and lost first place. So it's Alistair Krugenbolton in first. Just blimey. Getting all excited. It's brother Alan, fourth spot for Brian Stevens. And the Pre-82 is proudly brought to us by R&R Haulage. You call it, we'll spread it. Once again, for the third time today, it's Bailey Perrison who got the best start off the middle of the front row. Scout Fletcher in second place going into the corner with Phil Denovan on the Aprilia from Christchurch in third spot coming off the second row. No question at the inside line. The simple reason Bailey Perrison is out in front is because he is smooth, ladies and gentlemen. The way to ride a motorcycle fast is by being smooth. No sudden braking, no sudden gear changing, moving your body weight, using the balance of the bike to get around. In this class, as both got 16-year-old Scout Fletcher and 15-year-old Bailey Perrison. And when you're looking at people of that sort of age, 15 and 16 years old, you can only look at them and think what they're doing. Most of these young people have got good solid people behind them, training them, making sure they're getting all the right instruction, and look at the results. He's a mile ahead of everybody else. And they're not riding the fastest bikes on the track either. Wow, look at the speed he carries through that corner. Absolutely throttle pinned. Scout Fletcher did not back off at all coming round that corner. Daniel McKenzie, oh, and a big moment there. Coming round. One more lap before the white flag down. On the auto tag light, Honda